building site in Preston. It's a familiar place. We have dropped this container here a year and a half ago. This is a typical job for our Argosy crane truck. There's a little bit more clearance and more room here than the last time we were here, but as you can see, the container is basically on a 90-degree to the driveway. Doesn't matter what people may say to you, it's all rubbish. A tilt slide will never achieve this positioning, I guarantee that. So this can only be achieved with a crane truck. So fairly simple, we will just reverse in here. Again, this client is a professional. He has read our trading terms and conditions and provided us exactly the access that a truck of this size requires, and that is 3.5 meter wide, nothing overhead, and straight line, good solid ground. We're not going to get blocked here, and they also cleared the side as well, so I'm not going to get my tire pierced. This way we are quick in, quick out, job done efficiently and cost effectively. That's how you want to operate. So now that we are in position, a well set up and well prepared job like this will only take me about 35 to 45 minutes to load up and carry on. Does take longer than a side loader. Side loader would only take about 15 minutes at the most, or 20. And same as a tilt slide, they usually chuck a box